Create your own character. To get inspired, think about the kinds of characters you love. They could be superheroes, manga characters, funny characters, cute, adventurous, real life or diary, or from myths and legends. Take inspiration from anything you like. This could include books, films, cartoons, comics, or games. But make sure your character is original and we've never seen it before. You can create anything you like, but here are some ideas. Robot, animal, snail, human, elf, alien, zombie, monster, or how about yourself as a character? It doesn't have to be difficult to draw to be a great character. Mix your ideas to find something new. Try these sums. Robot plus mouse equals. Alien plus real life equals. Hero plus snail equals. Cute plus monster equals. Elf plus funny equals. Mythical and you equals. Time to get sketching, so grab everything you need. If you're not sure how to get started, try drawing some simple shapes and turning them into characters. You could do lots of sketches until you create something you're happy with. When you've drawn your character, write down its name and some personality points. Library Bear loves art and gets very messy. How about turning your page into a character sheet? Library Hare loves craft and bouncing. Library Badger loves reading and lives in Hackney Marshes. Now you could create an exciting comic or story with your characters. We would love to see your ideas. Please share your characters and stories online with the hashtag Hackney Library Create.